It is winter. The snow is white and soft. The air is cold, but the city is beautiful. Lights shine on the streets. Christmas music plays everywhere. People smile and walk with hot chocolate in their hands. Emma walks in the park. She likes winter. She likes the snow, the lights, and the warm feeling of Christmas. Emma is alone, but she is happy. She likes to watch people and think about Christmas gifts for her friends. Tonight, the park is quiet. Snow falls slowly from the sky. Emma stops near a big Christmas tree. The tree is tall and bright. It has red, green, and gold lights. Emma looks at the tree and smiles. Suddenly, someone next to her speaks. "Beautiful, right?" a warm voice says. Emma turns and sees a young man. He has short brown hair and a kind smile. He wears a red scarf and holds a cup of hot tea. "Yes," Emma says. "The tree is beautiful." "My name is Daniel," the man says. "Do you come here often?" Emma laughs a little. "Sometimes. I like this place. And you?" Daniel nods. "Yes, I come here every year. I like the snow and I like the lights." They stand together and look at the tree. The snow falls on their coats. The sound of soft Christmas music plays in the distance. "Do you want some tea?" Daniel asks. "It's very warm and it tastes like cinnamon." Emma smiles. "Thank you, I love cinnamon." Daniel gives her the cup. Emma takes a small sip. The tea is sweet and warm. It makes her feel comfortable. Emma and Daniel start to walk together in the park. The lights shine on the snow. Their steps make a small sound. Crunch, crunch. "Do you have Christmas plans?" Daniel asks. "Not many," Emma says. "I will visit my family, and you?" "I will visit my family too," Daniel says, "but before that, I like to enjoy the city. Winter is my favorite season." Emma looks at him. His eyes are gentle. He looks happy in the snow. "I like winter too," Emma says, "but I like it more now." Daniel smiles softly when he hears this. They walk for a long time. They talk about simple things: family, friends, winter, and Christmas traditions. Emma feels calm. She feels like she knows Daniel for a long time. Snow begins to fall faster now. The world looks like a white dream. Daniel stops and looks at Emma. "I am happy I met you tonight," he says. His voice is quiet but warm. Emma feels her heart beat a little faster. "I am happy too," she says. Daniel takes her hand gently. "Maybe," he says, "we can meet again tomorrow? We can drink more cinnamon tea and maybe watch the lights again." Emma smiles brightly. "Yes," she says. "I would love that." They stand under the big Christmas tree. The lights shine above them. The snow falls around them. Emma feels the magic of winter. She feels the magic of love. It is a simple moment, but it is special. It is the beginning of a beautiful winter love story.